Hello, year one. How are you today? Year one, today's Thursday, and every Thursday we have a science video. And on this video, I want to invite you to think about the life of the living things. Some of the living things have a life cycle. For example, the butterfly. Remember the book we read this week? The Very Hungry Caterpillar. So during his life, he has changed a lot. He was an egg, and then he was a caterpillar, and then he turned to be a butterfly, right? Very different, right? And also the frog, for example. During his life cycle, he changed a lot. Do you remember the bean? We have plant. It was a bean, and then grow a little. It was like a small plant with a leaf, and then it grows, and it changes a lot, right? But is all the living things like that? How does it happen with humans, for example? When the human born, is it too different than we are today? Not very different, right? We have the same characteristics, but we are smaller, right? Babies are small, and then it turns to grow like a child, and then an adult, right? So every living things change during their life. Let me show you. Year one, this is the book Living Things. Plants and animals change as they grow, like I told you. Look this plant here. When it was born, it was very small and fragile. And then after some time, it growed differently. And then when it's adult, it's very tall and strong, right? And I wanted to see how this has changed as they grow, all right? So now look this. We have here cat and his kitten. So it's like mom or daddy and the baby. How is a kitten different from its parents? How are they different? What about these birds here? The mom and the babies. How is a chick different from its parents? So, year one, as I told you, every living thing changes during his life. And the homework for today is analyze how have you changed, okay? I want you to ask your mom and daddy to show you a picture of you as a baby, okay? A picture when you were a little baby. I want you to observe how were you when you were a baby. What has changed? Okay, so you will put this picture aside, and then you will get another picture of you around the age you have now, around 5 or 6 years old. It's a more recent picture, okay? And I want you to observe the differences, okay? You're going to get a paper and a pencil, and you're going to write your observations. What has changed? Okay? What is different from when you were a baby and now? All right, guys? So I will discuss with you tomorrow, okay? Do the observation today, and tomorrow we talk about it. All right? Love you guys. Bye-bye.